Hi, Millie. This is Ann Kullberg, and I'm glad to take the time to give you my take on your pieces for CP Treasures. And we did accept this piece for Hidden Treasures, but we're going to look at the others first. You also entered this and this. And I'll start with this one. This one is Highland Heifer, and it's on drafting film. And there's some things that are working quite well in this, but something's not so successful. I actually think the background trees are very intriguing. It's seems to be winter. I mean, it seems like these are deciduous trees without the leaves, and I don't know, they're kind of dreamy and way in the background, and I really love that. This right here, I mean, it's fine. It's like, I'm not sure I understand it and how it's covering the trees, but I'm not sure it matters that much either. This is just very nice. These horns are very well done, especially this one. The highlight that you left on the right side is beautiful, and how you went dark enough on the other side. And then these colors that you've introduced, like the green, you know, like a reflection from him or her, who knows, onto the horns is very well done. And then I guess this is like maybe sunlight breaking through the clouds, or I'm not sure what this real light area is, but it works. The heifer herself is a little rough. It's like the thing that you most notice. The two things you most notice when you first glance at this piece are the horns and this area, the nose. I mean, I know that his eyes aren't visible, so what else can you look at? But maybe it's just simply the reference photo itself wasn't the ultimate best choice, because really that is what you see, are horns and nose. And then your eye doesn't really know what to do after that, so it goes up to the background. So yeah, it's a nice piece, but this one, oh man, it was really a tough choice actually between this and the other one, these two, because I love the perspective, and your title is From the Driver's Seat, which I like a lot. And I love your colors, the yellow, the greens, the blues, the rust. Man, look at these colors right here. Very nicely done. Now, there's a problem, but I think it's a photography problem or a scanning. Well, it wouldn't be a scan. I feel like this area is washed out. And my guess is that it's your photo of the drawing and not the drawing itself, because you have such great colors back here, so it just doesn't make any sense that this whole top half would be washed out. But of course there's no way for us to know on our end. So if this had been less washed out and more equal, if these colors had been equally vibrant and rich and dark as the ones on the bottom, I think we probably would have chosen this one for Hidden Treasures. Love this tractor seat. So nicely done. It's all blues, a little bit of yellow here, blues and grays and blacks, and just really just so nicely rendered. Good blends. Really, the entire piece is well drawn and fun. It's a fun piece. I like it. But we ultimately chose this piece, which also kind of seems like maybe this section is too light because of photography, because this seems a little light too. So maybe it's how you took the photo, or maybe it's the way it's supposed to be. But there's enough, going on well with this, like the deep shadows, wonderful shadows. And high contrast. Now, the one thing I do have to say about that is that if you have shadows this dark and highlights this light, it feels to me like you also probably should have gone lighter here and here, where the light would really hit the top of this old truck. Yeah, Bernie's old truck. Huh. This must be in your family or friend. group. Nice. Anyway, there's something sort of solid and homey about the drawing, about your line quality. Like you're not trying to be precise. It's kind of more suggestive and a little bit wobbly, which fits the subject so well that it feels like it's on purpose. So I'm going to assume that it was on purpose, a style choice. I really like the door in the shadow right here of the handle. I just think your values are very nice. And your drawing. I mean, the drawing is, there's nothing wrong with any of this drawing. There's nothing that rings false. So, yeah, I think it's very nice, and we're happy to have it in Hidden Treasures. And I hope that helped. All right. Bye-bye.